Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the unit has adequate power and that connectors are clean. Low voltage produces intermittent sound. Once done, use a multimeter to verify 12V at the car adapter or internal battery charge level so you don't chase phantom faults. Make sure to remove the unit from the dash or cup holder to access ports. Cleaning contacts with contact cleaner prevents noise and poor connections, and that immediately rules out many common problems. You now move into deeper diagnostics to isolate source, audio chain, Bluetooth module, or power regulation. First, bypass speakers with headphones or an external speaker to confirm whether the amplifier is at fault. Then test pairing and note LED patterns because they reveal firmware versus hardware issues. Next, open the chassis carefully. Inspect for blown capacitors, cracked solder joints, or detached ribbon cables, and apply a gentle reflow or resolder, where you find cold joints to restore reliable connections. You finish by replacing identified faulty components, electrolytic capacitors, blown fuses, or voltage regulators, and resoldering cracked joints to restore stability. Once reassembled, secure all ground points and run a full test sequence: Bluetooth pairing, FM reception, AUX/USB playback, and a battery cycle to confirm charging behavior. If the issue persists intermittently, make sure to wiggle test harnesses and apply contact spray.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.